Jennifer Castro Limaitre, BS International Travels and Tourism Management student, and crowned Binibining Laguna 2018. Proudly presents her home as Miss Millennial Laguna.
Magandang tanghali po, Tabercats. Sa mga nanonood po sa bahay, lalo na po sa mga Lagunense, hello po sa inyo. Private vehicles, yun po, by bus lang po siya. Malapit lang po.
It's about how long yung biyahe?
Maximum of 3 hours lang po siya.
3 hours?
maximum.
Uy, matraffic yun.
Matraffic na
May
matraffic
traffic na po siguro yun. May
Oo.
maximum of 3 hours.
At alam mo, napakadami. Napakalaki kasi ng lalawigan ng probinsya ng Laguna at napakadaming municipalities at cities.
Yes po. Besides it being the resort capital of the Philippines, we also have
One.
so much natural bodies of water and parishes and churches and delicacies po, syempre.
Oo nga, hindi na mabilang sa
Opo.
dami.
So I am very excited na ipakita at ipadiscover sa inyo ang ganda ng Laguna like you have never seen before. Hi, Tabercats! I am Jennifer Limet and today ipapasyal ko kayo sa Laguna like you've never seen before. We're here na po sa CURCC or sa Cavite Underground River and Cave Complex. Tara guys, samahan niyo ako mag-splunking. So finally, andito na po tayo inside the cave where you can see massive groups of stalactites and stalagmites. Makikita niyo din po dito yung iba't ibang saints at yung pinaka-figure ni Mama Mary. Tuloy-tuloy lang ang nature trip from Cavinti to Hulugan Falls! Bakit nga ba Hulugan Falls? Kasi dati raw, maraming nahuhulog na kalabaw dito. True story, guys! Kaya halika na! #Gona sa Laguna! Hi, Tabercats! Andito po tayo ngayon sa bayan ng Louisiana para alamin kung paano gawin ang pinaka-main delicacy na kinuhit.
Sarap ate.
Sa dami ng lakes, waterfalls, and hot springs dito, Laguna na talaga ang resort capital of the Philippines! At dahil nandito tayo ngayon sa Laguna, di pwedeng di natin mapuntahan ang bahay ni Jose Protasio Rizal Mercado E. Alonso Realonda o mas kilala bilang si Dr. Jose Rizal, ang ating pambansang bayan. Kaya halika na, go na, and visit my Laguna. Since po ang capital ng Laguna is Santa Cruz, we have the Quezong Puti from Santa Cruz.
Okay.
This is actually known as the Philippine mozzarella. And
Ayun,
yes po.
mozzarella.
And festival din po siya ng Santa Cruz celebrated every March. So, pwedeng-pwede niyo po siyang makuha kahit saan Santa Cruz every March. Pakalat-kalat lang.
Ano yan
festival
from
pala.
milk ng kalabaw?
Opo, from Carabao's Milk po.
Okay.
And
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 then?
then we have yung famous buko pie po ng Laguna. Sa Los Baños po siya ma-avail. As in, super pinipilahan po siya. Actually, it causes traffic nga po minsan.
Pambansang,
Good traffic yun.
Yeah, good
pambansang
traffic.
pasalubong
Yes
yan.
po.
Ano pa?
At, syempre, ang kinulob na itik po.
Itik.
Yes, from Victoria. Kasi Victoria is known as the duck capital of Laguna. So there you can also avail the balot and penoy. Kinulob na itik po is boiled. Binoil mo muna siya, then fried para po super crispy po. Opo, yung kinulob na itik po.
Okay.
And,
Puto binyan.
Puto binyan.
Yes, unlike po yung typical na puto po na bilog, served po siya like pizza or parang pie. Ganyan po siya kalaki. I-serve.
actually, sikat na siya kasi sikat na yung name na Puto Binyan.
Opo.
Yes.
Parang nakadikit na talaga yung binyan sa puto.
Yes po. Then over in the front po, we have Okoy from Santa Rosa. It is from rice, batter, and shrimp. It's like shrimp pancakes, but you dip it in vinegar.
And it's crispy.
Yes, it's really crispy.
So, while you're listening, try to think about what you guys wanna try. Everything. And then, ano to,
Monay
Jenny?
po.
Monay.
Sa bae po.
Meron
Opo.
siyang laman sa loob.
Minsan po may mga raisins. And ang shell niya po talaga, or yung pinakalabas po nung monay is, it should be hard. Pero yung inside po is really
malambot.
soft. Yes po.
Okay.
Tapos
And
meron
then,
tayong
This is...
Espasol po.
Espasol.
Yes.
Espasol.
It is rice cakes, cooked in coconut milk and rolled in toasted rice flour. It's a really good snack.
Napalabas na si
Opo.
Joey. Ano pa?
You should try po.
Para
I
sa
think
kanila.
po, kasi from they've asked me, I think they're very adventurous. So where I want to bring them is sa Hulugan Falls po, sa Louisiana. Kasi super, medyo nakakapagod, pero super worth it po kasi super ganda ng Louisiana.
Mukha
Ayan
nga.
siya.
Opo.
Hulugan Falls.
Based on your pictures, mukhang napakaganda nga
Opo.
niya. Kung, halimbawa, isang araw lang ang meron sila, what are the places na dapat nilang puntahan kung one day lang yung meron silang time?
From traveling po, syempre, ang gusto po natin is relaxation. I think they should go to Calamba or Los Baños because it is where the hot springs are, and also yung view ng Mount Makiling where yung pinaka-source of the hot springs. It's really good for relaxations, and the natural minerals are good for your body. Yes.
And of course.
And earlier, of course, if you guys are like history buffs, you can
Yes.
always stop by the Rizal,
Rizal
Shrine,
Shrine.
the home of our national
Yes, in
hero.
Calamba City po.
Yun.
Relatively near. Yun yung near part ng Laguna.
Opo.
Ang Calamba.
Yes.
All right. Thank you very much, David and Helen. Feel free to have some more. There's so much food.
Miss Millennial Philippines 2018 will take home 500,000 pesos. She will also drive home a brand new Mitsubishi Montero Sport and move into her new house and lot from Lysandra. Angat ka dito. A special prize also goes to the Bayanihan Queen, who will bring home 100,000 pesos. Plus, a chosen project in her city or province will receive 1 million pesos worth of funds. Let us find out who will be this year's winners of Miss Millennial Philippines 2018.